In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change height in Blade and Sorcery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your height in Blade and Sorcery is super simple. You can make yourself taller or shorter at any time, and this will work with any save or character that you've made. Having your height properly set up is important because it is going to make the experience feel more immersive and less nauseating. So in order to change this, first, before you actually start to save and choose your character, in the character selection page, you select it here after you have browsed through all of your saves. And then, instead of choosing play, look at the right side of the screen. So when you get to this start game window, look all the way to the right. And you will find the player height setting. So in here is where you will be able to adjust the height for this particular save that you selected. So select the save, but don't start playing quite yet. Then if you look all the way to the right, you will find the player height setting. Now, as you can see here, for optimal comfort and game experience, make sure that your height is well set. Stand still, relax, and click auto height. So the easiest way to set it up is just to choose auto height while you are relaxed. Make sure that you are standing still. Don't arch your back, just make sure that you are properly lined up, and then once you choose auto height, it is going to be adjusted for you. But if you don't like it, or you would like to fine-tune the height, then you can use the manual setting option. You can choose between metric or imperial, and then set it up here. So choose your preferred unit of measurement, and then input the height. Once you have it input here, it will be associated with this particular save, and then you can go ahead and start playing the game. So it is super simple, and it's going to give you the most comfortable experience possible. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.